So here are the tools you're gonna need. All you're gonna need is a T25, a 4mm Allen key, and a Phillips screwdriver, and of course your piece ready to install. So let's get into it. So on the box, all you're gonna get is the actual piece with all the hardware included. Comes with the screws that you're gonna need for the installation, which are the same as the one we have here, but these ones are slightly longer so we can hold our piece firmly into the scooter. So, and of course it comes very well packaged, beautiful CNC machine made footrest with this amazing system. They work pretty nice and they're pretty well done. So we're gonna be installing these babies into the Primavera. They also work for the Sprint. Pretty nice looking footrest. Of course we have them in different colors. You can check them out at thescooterbelt.com. So let's proceed and install these babies in and remove this ugly plastic uncomfortable footrest of this scooter. So let's get into it.